the most important aspects of growing your business is telling your business's story. And this is done very simply. There's an author, his name is Donald Miller, and he wrote a book called Building a Story Brand. We're going to use Donald Miller's concepts about how you can use story to enhance your business and to create enthusiasm, interest, awareness, and ultimately sales and growth. Think of your favorite movie. Go ahead, think about your favorite movie. What is your favorite movie? Perfect. Now we're going to talk about something that's very important. How a story fits into all screenplays, your movie, and yes, your business and how you tell that story. There are 7 pillars to this story. Let me go over them really quickly. Number 1, it's a character. All stories have a character. The hero, the main person out there who's going to win the day. Unfortunately, all characters have a problem that they must overcome. So it's important to note that to overcome this, they have to encounter the 3rd pillar, which is a guide. Yeah, that's right. Think about your favorite movie. Who's the guide that's propelling the character to do something? Because all guides have what's number 4 is a plan, a solution to help the character overcome their problem. That leads them to pillar number 5. The guide will tell the character what happens if they fail. And the 6th pillar is very simple. The guide will tell the character what happens if they succeed. And of course, number 7, the guide is going to instruct the character to a call to action. Here's the plan. Now go ahead, go out there and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't that fit into your favorite movie? Now, let's apply this to businesses. All businesses have a story, and this is where it gets very important and very exciting. We're going to create an example of how a real estate company can apply these 7 pillars of a story brand to help this real estate company reach out to its audience, be empathetic, and to drive more awareness, more leads, and more sales. Here we go. The fictional company is going to be called Harbor Realty. And to illustrate this, here's the title of the video. Discover your dreams in the city of La Crescenta. Number 1, character. The video opens with a relatable scenario.
Are you the first-time home buyer feeling overwhelmed by the real estate market in La Crescenta?
Number 2, the problem.
With soaring prices, complex paperwork, and fierce competition, finding your perfect home can feel like an impossible task.
Number 3, here comes the guide. You. Introduce Harbor Realty.
At Home Harbor, we've helped hundreds of families just like yours navigate the La Crescenta real estate market with ease.
Simple as that. Number 4, give them a plan. Present a simple 3-step process. For example, here we go. Step 1.
Free consultation to understand your needs and budget.
Number 2.
Then, we provide a curated list of properties matching your criteria.
Number 3.
Finally, we offer expert negotiation and ensure a seamless closing process.
That's the plan in a nutshell. Pretty simple. Then in the video, we got number 5. What happens if they don't call you? Tragedy.
Don't risk overpaying or missing out on your dream home. With Home Harbor, you'll avoid common pitfalls that can cost you time and money.
Perfect, right? Then we go into number 6, the success.
Imagine settling into your perfect home in your ideal neighborhood at a price that fits your budget. With Home Harbor, that dream can become your reality.
Then call them to action.
Ready to start your journey? Visit our website or call us today for your free consultation.
All right, that's the 7 pillars of story. Like I promised, I got 2 more videos for you. If you like this video, hit subscribe. It helps us grow. The top one was selected by me, and the bottom one is selected by the YouTube algorithm that best suits you. I'll see you in the next video.